resume is the most important document in our lives. It is the only living document, one that is constantly being updated. But most importantly, it is a document that represents you and your brand when you're not there. So, having a beautiful, well-formatted, and thoughtful resume is the difference maker in getting an interview and an offer from your dream job, or simply getting ignored. Hi, my name is Sharjan Hussaini, and I'm a former vice president in investment banking at Morgan Stanley, and prior to that, I was at Google's late-stage investment arm called Capital G. I learned the art of resume writing in business school, and it completely changed the trajectory of my career. I went from getting 0 interviews to getting interviews across all the top firms in the industries I was super passionate about. And this included getting interviews and an offer from Morgan Stanley in their top investment banking team, then from Google and joining Capital G, which is their late-stage investment arm, and then again getting rehired at Morgan Stanley for the second time in investment banking. I've accumulated all these lessons and over the last 10 years have taught and mentored over 20,000 students and young professionals exactly how to break into these competitive fields and get closer to their dream jobs. I've taught my courses globally from San Francisco to New York, London, Hong Kong, Singapore, and many other places, and at leading universities such as Harvard and Stanford. Plus, I was invited twice to speak at TEDx on similar topics, and you can find some of those on YouTube as well. Students who have taken my courses have broken into the top investment banking firms such as Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and they've also broken into the top management consulting and accounting firms such as McKinsey and PwC. Similarly, if you're interested in breaking into the super competitive world of high-tech companies and startups, then my students have broken into companies like Google and Facebook, to name a few. So to that end, this course is going to teach you 3 key things. Number 1, the best resume template that works. Remember, thousands of students have taken my courses and have used my resume template and have been successful, and I want you to be successful as well. Number 2, thoughtful content. Look, we all have amazing experiences, from professional experiences to education to extracurricular. How do you take all of that and craft really thoughtful bullets that help you get over that edge? And finally, strategies and tactics and how to use them. None of us are perfect. We all have some sort of bottlenecks and headwinds that we face in our lives. So for example, let's say you have a low GPA, or you went to a non-target school, or just don't have the relevant work experience to get the job that you really want. So I'm going to teach you specific strategies and tactics that you can implement to mold your resume to get over that line. So this way, you're not going to eliminate yourself and hopefully be successful in your recruiting processes. I've been teaching this course to thousands of students and young professionals just like yourself over the last 10 years, and they've been very successful. But now, for the first time ever, I've compiled all of that knowledge, all of the lessons I've learned in my life, the things I've done right and the things I've done wrong, into one course, one easy to take course, all in one place. So, if you're an aspiring student applying for your first job ever, or a seasoned professional rising in your career and just want to supercharge your resume, then this is the course for you. Thank you for watching this, and I really hope I can be helpful in getting you closer to your dream job.